Welcome to my channel. I'm going to shuffle cards for Scorpio, no contact, separated person, current feelings, overall situation, what can happen. Let's shuffle and draw the cards for Scorpio. Scorpio, no contact, separated person, overall situation, thoughts, what can happen, what change can happen from 1st to 10th December. Scorpio, no contact, separated person, overall situation and thoughts. Let's see. Okay. So first card we have oh wow, Four of Pentacle reverse, and okay, I think so. Somebody is not thinking. Somebody is not making any kind of plan. I think someone is really very clear in their mind, in their thoughts, and somebody has maybe somebody has said you, or maybe you know it that this is my desire and I want it, nothing else. I is in my mind, is in my thoughts. I'm just straightforward what I want. Okay, then the next card is about the deep thinking, is about the connection. I think so that I think one person is just observing the other person, looking the other person, that the person is in third party, that the person is in connection with someone, but one person is just observing everything very patiently. I think so. Then the next card is about the balance. It is about uh, the beauty, the sexuality. I think somebody is trying to make you jealous, or you are trying to make someone jealous, but all this, all by this you are hurt, or maybe the other person is hurt, but somebody is just showing that I'm beautiful, I'm very attractive, and you are just trying to make it balance. You are not showing that you have any concern with it, and you might be missing the old days, the balance, the love between you, and the compassion, the equality. I think so that you are missing that, the past days, or maybe your no contact is missing, but I think so both of you had a wonderful understanding, both of you knew it, how to balance this relationship, both of you were there for each other, and both of you had a very beautiful emotional relation. So I think so that you know that you had a great relation, both of you know this. Let's see the two three cards more for to see the some last situation in of this week. Okay, actually, I think that someone is happy in their own life, and someone knows that where is my destiny. If I have destiny, I have no destiny. I have this person, I don't have this person. So somebody is very clear in their thoughts, and someone knows that life is not easy. It is zigzag, being alone, and the other person is just trying to bring beauty in this relationship, trying to, I'm not saying that the person is trying to connect, no, but one person is observing, keeping eye, and want to make this relationship grow. So overall I can say that this relationship is not moving very fast, is not getting any kind of reunion situation, but some little bit, there can be a moment, but not much. Now let's see the message of this reading. Okay, the message is that make sure what you are going to do, think thousand times, try to be spiritual, try to connect with divine, transform something in your life. You need to transformation. This was your reading. If something resonated, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.